Now, after today's decision, there could be other implications beyond just abortion rights. In the decision, Justice Clarence Thomas says in the future, we should reconsider all of the court's substantive due process precedents, including Griswold, Lawrence, and Obergefell. Now, that refers to the rights to contraception, same-sex intimacy, and also gay marriage. Reporter Mariel Carbone is live in the studio near Mariel. Could this mean that same-sex marriage is next to be overturned?
Well, technically, this decision should not impact gay marriage. The Obergefell case, which grants that right, isn't a privacy issue specifically. It's more of a liberty issue. But people in the LGBTQ community are preparing for what could come next. Now that this Supreme Court ruling has come down, it opens the door to challenge other constitutional protections.
This feels really surreal and it feels really personal. This concerns me because I'm married to a woman and I'm also in an interracial marriage.
Simone Golish married their wife in 2017.
What we're going to do as a couple who has an in vitro fertilized child, we're going to wait till Monday to contact an estate attorney in the state of Maryland who's LGBTQ rights focused, because we have to act as if same-sex marriage is overturned. And that means we have to worry about birth certificates.
Although a decision about abortion, Justice Clarence Thomas writes in the Dobbs ruling that next the court should write the precedent of Obergefell, which legalized same-sex marriage.
It should not have any impact.
But Sarah Warbelow with the Human Rights Campaign says it is a call to action for people who want to undermine LGBTQ protection.
That want to turn back the clock to an era that was less equal and less fair. And so we do expect that there will be challenges to these rulings.
And it was really just like a bad feeling in my gut that my family and so many others will have to kind of navigate all this. And
Mark Eckstein is the co-chair of advocacy for Metro DC PFLAG, a group that provides support and resources for LGBTQ families. He says,
you know, I don't think it's a clear path forward to outlawing same-sex marriage. I think the message would be to, yes, prepare yourself and kind of get educated and up to speed on, you know, some of the dynamics that will come from this ruling.
And it is important to note that no other justice signed on to Thomas's concurrence. Live in the studio, I'm Mariel Carbone.